It was the biggest Tyrannoid you've ever seen. Big as a Star Cruiser and packing twice as much firepower. There was no escape. He was coming right at me. Closer, closer. Oh, what am I gonna do, right? Closer, even closer. Click, click. My blaster jammed.
No way! What happened next?
Yes, go on. We're all riveted.
So, this is the mighty Q-Force I've heard so much about. Pathetic! I could obliterate the lot of you, and they wouldn't even mention it in Supervillain Weekly.
True, sir, but you'll have done the fashion world an enormous service.
And as for you, Agent Clank, I have far grander plans for you. All right, Lawrence, you can turn it off now.
Oh, may I, sir? What a treat.
Al, come in.
Yellow.
Someone just transmitted a hologram onto the ship. I need to know where the signal came from.
Let's see. Backtracing the signal. Six-path alpha key encryption? Amateurs. I got it. It came from a facility on Planet Dax. Accessing their computer files.
Planet Dax?
Aha! I found something suspicious. Patching it through now.
Tonight, we take a journey inside the enigmatic mind of our galaxy's foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. We'll take a tour of this secret facility on planet Dax, home to some of the galaxy's most insidious superweapons, including the dreaded Rainbow Afrolyzer. Dr. Nefarious, we've all enjoyed your past work, but how do you respond to critics who say your latest galactic schemes are just more of the same?
I will annihilate them!
Lawrence, tell us a bit about this top-secret superweapon being constructed on planet Dax.
Well, super is such a strong word. For that matter, weapon may be a tad overdoing it. We do, however, have a lovely view of the ocean at sunset.
Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination, or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly!
Whatever Nefarious is doing on Dax, it can't be good.
We'll check it out.
You're welcome.
So, you've come back to disgrace my training course once again, hmm?
Actually, we were hoping we could just pick up the gadgets and split.
We have a spaceship to catch.
Ha! You slackers are always looking for the easy way out. When you can pass the course, you can have the device.
This is the Phoenix VR deck. Here you can train in combat simulations or practice using new gadgets.
Okay, let's do this then.
Those platforms can be activated with the hypershot. The green object is a hypershot target. Press and hold.
That hacker is used to crack security terminals. Just stand near a terminal and press triangle to hack in.
Okay, let's hack it then.
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
I actually use X. Fuck. I talk and I play at the same time. I press X to fire and square to... Oh, damn it. And square to pick up. Okay, time to get serious then. Oh, damn it. Ah, damn it. So stupid.
Keep trying, you can be a running girl!
Press square.
Okay, there's a skill point for finishing this training course quick.
The blue defenses are indestructible.
But it's better achieved when you already have these doors open. Sometimes these things can take quite a while to complete. And it's quite annoying actually. This one went better.
Hurry up, Lumbex!
In this game we don't have the swing shot, we have the hyper shot.
That was okay, I guess.
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
Come on, these hackers, though I enjoy doing these things, they take so long to complete. Finally.
Ha! That was pathetic!
Alrighty, we'll just take those gadgets and be on our way.
Oh yeah, the little man is cocky now. Maybe you'd like to meet Helga on the wrestling mat? Hmm? You'll see how cocky you are, twisted up like a wet noodle.
Maybe next time.
Pansies!
So now let's head to Daxx. Let me just check if there's a better paint job to our ship. I don't really like any of these.
Here, the Dax facility has 2 high-security computer terminals. My information indicates that one of them is somewhere out in the island. The other one is inside the main building.
Well, this planet over here is kinda big. This weapon over here, the Olo shield, is from hell, I don't know.
Customizing your quick select in the pause menu.
I don't know what I just closed, but I closed something when choosing the weapons. Let me take a look. Yeah, we can access our secondary wheel pressing R1. Nothing new if you actually played the Ratchet Clank games. After this one, I mean. This secondary wheel appeared for the first time in this game and has made a return ever since, I think. Oh, that was a close call. Damn it! So many shooting. Give me a break already. I don't know how I didn't get hit yet. I think we get the weapon, the thing I was looking for here, the charge boots. Damn it, so many. Wait, what happened to my oh, my bullets for a while, they looked like they had a different color. Maybe it was just me. Oh wait, I survived. Fuck, I died. I need to use the rocket launcher for this part. I won't survive otherwise. I mean, I could survive if I had a better armor. Damn it. Was hit right at the start. That was a fail. Let's see. Damn it! Why was I so reckless? Either way, the M60 is almost leveling up. Damn it! Oh, finally it leveled up. Fuck. Damn it! Finally... Sure took long enough. Damn it. We can't even talk straight. Here's the charge boots. Oh, by the looks of it, I only get one.
Double tap R1 to blast off with the charge boots.
It should have like a... It's... Oh, great, nasty. Fuck you! He probably knew, he saw me playing Ratchet Clank and thought for himself, that guy's freaking recording, I'm going to troll at him just a little bit. And he successfully did it. Now for the lava gun. Where should I head first? I'm going to head first this way. I think it's this way that it has the boss. Run for your freaking life. Okay. They continue point. What? This was a stupid death. Well, good thing we start from here, so... What, dude? Dude, calm down. Don't use all my ammo. What? How the hell? The fuck? Oh, that was a close call. Dude. What the fuck? I don't get it. This thing is glitching up right now. I don't know why. Oh, that was, I don't know, it was pretty lucky right here. What? Now it's payback time, bitch. Although you're not really something, you're like a nit. But it works, I don't care. What? The missile simply went through. Now I'm going to change to the N60 to lower. Where is it? Okay, I thought the game had glitched up. Now back. Now I live this scene that's going to appear right now.
Check it out. Looks like somebody's a big fan of Courtney Gears.
Courtney who?
Come on, remember that bombshell handing out prizes on Annihilation Nation?
Ah, yes. Her specifications were remarkable.
Yeah, well, she's not the hottest pop star in the galaxy because of her singing.
That is odd. It appears this computer was recently used to edit one of her music videos.
Oh, let's watch it! I mean, you know, it may contain a clue or something.
Yeah, what's up, people? It's Courtney Gears. Are you feeling me, robots? I'm feeling you. I see the future, and what do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. And organics, they're soft and squishy. The time is now, where robots must be free. You wanna be free? Then shout with me, yeah! This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life?
Miss Gears may be in league with Dr. Nefarious.
Yeah, who knew? She always seems so sweet and innocent in her videos. Well, except for that one with the... You know...
She might possess information about what Nefarious is planning.
Oh, right. And if we win that grand prize on Annihilation Nation, we'll get another chance to talk to her.
That was my favorite scene when Ratchet does that dancing. Always loved that thing, I don't know why. At least now I have recorded it on video because you can only see that once a playthrough. Wait, there's a platinum bolt over there. Didn't really get it. Kinda forgot about it, but oh well. Now for the last part of the world. Lava gun. The only problem I have with the lava gun is its area of effect. It doesn't go that far away.
To employee JX34 on his promotion to Killbot First Class.
Wrong button. This level makes me remember a lot of the what was it called from Ratchet Clank 2. I forgot the name. It's a level where we actually play with Giant Clank the first time. Forgot the name. Wait, I'm going to change this weapon to kill those two up there. Dude, equip the lava gun. I'm still trying to remember the name's planet. The planet's name. The name's planet. Fuck. What was the freaking name? Oh, it's Dobo, I think. I think it's Planet Dobo. I even have the music of the planet in my head right now. News alert, what? Spiroth, please, is that spam? Spiroth, please! Come on, faster. Wrong. Oh, finally.
Security breach in Sector 5. All
Okay, time to use the bigger weapons. I'm running low on lava gun ammo. You have a switch in... See that guy over there? I'm going to shoot a missile at him. That guy over there, there's a switch under its feet. Oh crap! As I was saying, there's a switch under his feet that opens that door over there for a limited time. And if you open, and if you go there, there's a platinum bolt, which I'm not going to get right now. Because there's some strong enemies over there, and I'm not really in the mood to go there. Also, that means that I would spend more time. See, here's the switch. Spend more time doing this part than I really need to. Oh, finally. Oh, this is the last one. At least that. This one was actually quick. I think you can actually repeat. Yeah, if you press R1 you can actually redo the hacker sequences. What do I want to do? What weapon should I use? I don't want to risk it too much. I'm going with the Annihilator. Damn it! Oh, there's an Infernox over there. Going to use it. All solved thanks to the Infernox. Inferno power. Ah! Pressed the wrong button. Look says, that's Everglow from YouTube. Also known as Spacey, though he does not use his old account anymore because YouTube would refuse to partner that account. Ah, fuck-a-doodles.
This terminal should give us high-level access to all of Nefarious's project files. I found something. I am afraid it does not look good.
Bio-obliterator? Huh. I see what you mean. What exactly does it do?
That information has been deleted.
Uh-oh. Well, where is this thing?
Location unknown. However, a large transport vessel left this facility yesterday. It was headed for the Obani moon system.
The Obani moons, huh? Well, we better check it out.
So, next planet is the Obani moons. I suppose.
How do you work this camera, whatchamacallit? Whoops. That's a bummer. Ouch! Hey, Ratchet, what's up?
Hi, Skid. Can we talk to Sasha?
Sasha and Quark are meeting with the president, man. They left me in charge of the ship.
What? I mean, I see. Well, is Al there?
He's out to lunch.
Helga?
In the sauna.
Quark's monkey, perhaps.
Just tell Sasha that Clank and I are checking out a lead on the Obani moons.
The Obani moons? Sounds like you guys could use some backup. I'll grab my gear and meet you there.
No. Great.
Wait, oh my god, okay. We're inside her. Don't worry too much.